Hey guys, so I want to talk to you guys about the EU core trading robot. This is one of the best, by far the best robots you're going to be using in 2025. So listen, there are a lot of testimonies that comes with this, and I don't want to go into all of that, right? I just want to tell you that this bot has everything you need, right? So I'm going to be taking you to the chat, to my laptop, to my system to show you guys proofs of why EU core is your number one robot for 2025 when it comes to consistency, when it comes to efficiency, longevity. Guys, all you need is what EU core. So you know what, come with me to the system, let me show you guys some proofs. Let's go.
Right, guys, so this is EU core trading live, guys. So you can see this is how the whole bot works. Let me show you the account history. This is the history right here. Over $237 made on this account, and this account was actually less than $1,000 when we started it. Now in just 2 weeks we've been able to grow it to $1,200, and you see it is a real account. So right here, let me show you where the client is saying, yeah, congratulations. I told her we just got to $1,200 on this account like in 2 weeks, guys. This is absolutely amazing. EU core doing its thing. Now you think I'm just saying so? Well, let's hear from one of our clients.
Hi, so I just wanted to get on here really quickly and talk about my experience with AJ Trade House's bot and how it's been doing for me so far. And honestly, it was the best decision I made in 2025. It is such a profitable bot, and I still cannot believe the results I'm getting from this bot, and I could not be happier.
Yeah, guys, so this is another account. This is like a 100K account that is running, been managed by EU core. This is like an account management thing. So you can see right here, it is a real account. So don't play it when we tell you that EU core is doing the most. And right here, let me show you guys something. So this is a $27,000 withdrawal made on this account in the month of January. Now every month we keep withdrawing from this account because it's so powerful, right? So I showed you guys in the previous short that I dropped. If you have not checked that video, you can go check it out. It's a short where I showed you guys my FX book of this particular account, but for some reason the data was too much, so the broker archived most of the history, so we don't have that right now. But for full transparency sake, you can go check the other video where I showed you guys the FX book link, and I'm also going to show you the trade history right here. Look, this account is just so crazy, doing wonderful things. Now this account has been running for over I think 9 months now, and it's just going powerful and successful. Risk management active, everything active. EU core is just the number one robot that you need for 2025, guys. If you're looking for consistency, if you're looking for something that's just going to be giving you that peace of mind, trading hands-free, like when you just connect the robot to your account, there is nothing else you need to do other than place your withdrawals when you want to. You can see right here, this is the 100K account that I showed you guys earlier. And let's go to the account history so that I can blow your mind, guys. Now listen, you can see, let's just go back in time history. This is okay, first of all, let's check 1 month. That's the previous month, and you can see we did over a withdrawal of like 27,500, which you saw earlier on the screen. Now let's go back to 2024 from just about May, when this account started trading, somewhere around there, and then you can see the whole trading history, guys. Listen, this is over $158,000 withdrawals. You can see the profit, you can see the deposit on this account. It started from 56, we grew it to 100K. Then we started a monthly withdrawal on this account with a benchmark of 100K. This is how powerful the EU core robot actually is, guys. It's just amazing. This is not just a large account. Let me show you a smaller account so you can also see for yourself, guys. So this is like a $1,000 account or so. So let's go to the history of this account. Last month you could see deposit of 1,200, and we up 1,000. We're up like $600 right now, so making it around $1,800. And this is just the power of consistency using EU core, guys. This is less than a month, and you can see the power of what this bot is actually doing. So guys, like I said, you want to learn how to trade with EU core, simple plug and play robot. You don't need any knowledge. When you get it, you're going to get a guide on how to activate the robot, or we're going to help you do that ourselves. If you don't know how to do it, it's very simple. All you you just have to do is follow up your account on your phone. Just look at the result that is going to be dropping on your account every single day, guys. The profit drops every single day, and all you just have to do is withdraw profits any day, anytime. All right, so catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.